This is the PRUNUS J-166 PRUNUS. It's a portable weather radio. Comes with manual and instructions. The radio on the front is flat. It has a slight concave right in the middle here. You have your AM, FM, and you have weather band. Looks like there's a battery indicator light here and a tune light. There's a pocket clip, and it looks like it takes 2 AA batteries. We have the tuning knob, volume rocker, AM, FM weather band. So this is the mode selection. Right now it's an off. Comes with an antenna. Looks like it's about 1 foot in length. I have it on the weather band now. I think my weather band channel is
rain 20%. Thursday, sunny, cooler with highs in the lower 40s. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour.
You can switch over to
Thursday night, mostly clear.
FM. Use the tuner right here.
Hey, with Dee Morning and Daryl Huckabee on 94.3 WYBC.
I have to say, it really has good sound for the overall, and the overall quality of it is decent. Go over to AM.
Won't be able to drive at all on 49th and 50th between 11 this morning to midnight.
Yeah, I mean, like even on the lowest volume setting, this is emitting loud, clear sound, so you're not going to have any problems listening to the stations. It's really nice. On the side here, you have your earphone jack. It also comes with a little lanyard that's pre-attached. So you have multiple ways to carry. Lanyard, pocket clip,